is Mzimkhulu Mabuya+, short name Zim. I play guitar for the band called Afro-Vibes with this gang that I'm with.
I'm bass player, the Afro-Vibe, playing with guys, but as well as a coach. Thank you.
And hi, my name is aka Poppie. I'm the lead vocalist of Afro-Vibes. Yeah.
Hi, this is Afro-Vibes. Nickname me, I'm Tony Mkade. The way I play drum like a sound of AK-47. Thank you.
Okay, this is KG20. I play piano for the band.
Together, and then we decided to form the Afro-Vibe because formally we sebenza from different spaces, and then we was trying to focus and work on this event.
Music tends to have some kind of qualities from different people, so I think the taste of the kind of music these guys play, I think we ended up decided about let's form our own group because of no, why man should we stick with whatever because what we originally think of doing is also as a Afro-Vibe is creating our own music, not just listening to the other artists, because artists come and go, they live and die, and they don't leave any legacy at the end. So we would like to, as Afro-Vibe, to leave a certain legacy. Saziwe nathi as the names ezakhe zabizwa ngaphambili. Andifuna ubiza amagama ebands akudala zabakhona, but siye sabona ke eventually ukuthi let's formulate, because it consists of everything, because sisonke nje now when we are playing, we sing, we do everything. It is nice to be in the company of these other guys as Ubona. I'm sure you've already heard some of music that we play, try to bring out whatever skill is now.
Okay, originally I was so we met gigs, and then we formed a band.
I think as the Afro-Vibe music scene focuses on more African music and Afro-Jazz, I would say so. Apart from that, then we have more of a crossover music scene. And then I think it's approximately around the pressure. Thing or 2 years, I think also influence here to the reason the listening package in music scenes now, it's more oriented around, and also vocalist here too, more focused with African music. So then that is why the Afro-Vibes is based behind in music.
I think it's a dramatic say ages on, because like if you're capella, it's not too loud. Engage like when they're listening to the genre here today, they feel connected somehow. They feel connected somehow because this genres, accommodator, so basically zonke ages like siyakwazi basifikelele kuzo akuthwani mhlawumbe i-age ethile enye age ekwazi must say it's hard because every day we develop new genres, and wethu umculo authentic. So into authentic doesn't sell much than into a so we try, by the way, and maintain a standard set, and we try to be true to ourselves and stay true. Okay, this is working for us. Okay, and nabanye abantu esibanika lo mculo they do connect with one. So we just stay true to ourselves.
Challenges stuff with facilities. For example, like traveling expenses, sometimes spaces enough to transport facilities is limited instrumentation, don't have like quality, but it was small speakers around here. There's the stretches, the sound that is called extra mile to make music. So I think in the meantime, when I'm listening to guitar, which is back, that's why the edge on the others is working out because form and stretch to effect about okay, but the possible guys in the balance. So I think you're not listening to guitar,
inspiration phofu naqala kwalapho ndiphuma khona singabantu abomculo qala yabo so ndikhule ilanguage ethethwayo kwasekhaya into edibene nomculo yabo so ngamamela imiculo thile ke inspiration adlala le instrument idlalayo yabo so into inspiration thina like azibena ubona like siyaphathisana. So na me kuchaza la we yabo siphathisane ngalento yabo then ngiyafuna because khona abadala bayenza so ngiyakuthaza.
My inspirations are basically obviously the love of music and staying true to myself regardless of the challenges as banazo kanye endibakuzo within the industry. By children of that guy, Banya Betty has been far too long civil industry, like a condo, like a sorting. It is Pumelele or Gumbo party. In London, still, I still feel more than it's scooters, Masik is figuring the work on Nati space is the artist as signing as a so either way, within the space. I opinion abantu ke ensebenza nabo abawuthanda umculo abane drive yofunda izinto ezintsha sifundisane
yona ngikukhuthazayo ngasendibona sendiphumelele because idala ndayizama lento long story idala ndayizama lento lokukhuleni kwami athi tata wami naye wayezama naye igitara so uzima kasuke ndiyeke nje zininzi ezikukhuthazayo.
For him, I strongly believe in Lobana, the way to manage Sidibana is business Afro-Vibe, Taza, and your inspiration, upbringing, they go around musicians, basically, so, Ian Kutaza, Moshola, each and every day, and you know, good city Satibana, Sikwas with Stibana, and fulfill Lord with Stibana for the day. It makes sense for them to not look back, and also for near future. Gasken artists being abandoned, but when established, see, Monaga de Benny 11.
As everyone has just mentioned, the background, I love guitar from the age of 2. I think I've got a picture, say a destroyer or I'm handling a guitar. guitar at the age of 2. See something. So I grew up on stage, jive stage, known as, you know, a small child, flexi from organized. I think we used to play even piano as a center, sidlale by 5. Now, because of the love I ended up having my own piano, having my own guitar. Unzima, sasidlala C4, C5, i-guitar i-1. Kwamya betha into zakhe, ubone uba xa uyibambayo wena ngathi uzawudlala into engacacanga. Kuthiwe hayi khawunike lo, because ngathi uzawudlala into epholileyo. So with the guys endinazo, it's so lovely because they've got the ear, thina siyizidaki, without going to school. Kuyanceda into yendlebe apha kuthi, le nto inqabile mos kwabanye abantu. Omnye xa ngidlala into ethile, without asking by yintoni uyidlalayo, uyayifila. Sinomntu ongathi uyi-poet apha phakathi kwethu, ne-vocalist yethu ithetha izinto ongakhange uzicinge emculweni, sensitsho kwi-creativity yomculo wethu esiwenzayo. Because we also create, we've got our own songs. So it's an inspiration because noba ndize nengoma, if I meet Goja, I say I've got this song. Uyayimamela angayiscrutinize ngeyakhe indlela athi yena hey I think what if senza le ndifike hey ndiyithande le nto ayicingayo, you understand, nale ndlela ayifaka ngayo ndingayikhabi ndiyithande, and then we work. That's the way we work.
Like didlalile kwi-stage, like ezikhulu, kwa even i-stage ze-gospel, kwa i-stage ze-jazz, because didlalile kwi-Cape Town International Festival, kwi-mini event. Ndadlala kunto esenziwa kwi-event esenziwa ngu-City. I think that time i-mayor nomayina ifeketho yayishow ye-gospel. I've played over US, most years states, Zambia, Payana. I did the gig in London, but the same one as the Afro-Vibe, see perform with our stage, see the band, see you.
Saudi Arabia, I've been Bloemfontein, I've been in the country, the stages, World Festivals, up the creek. So did I experience but I wish I could get more.
Performile kakhulu la Karanda township yam eGugulethu local events ezenziwa eGugulethu, wine festivals bendikhona, like international jazz festival imini iphakalanga ndandiperforma phana parliament, ndiyile ndayivulela nepresident eparade umhobe wayesenziwa ndim phaa. Yeah, so zininzi wethu indawo endiperforme kuzo around apha eKapa, uMaselombosch ndiyoperforma kuwo. So okwangoku sezi stage ezalapha around eKapa, andikaphuma apha eKapa. So yeah,
Spanile outside the country, nzile emazweni athile nalapho kwezinye provinces alapha e-countryni yami sebenzile, meet other people aba-established sharing stage nabo. So kuyo yonke la experience ndifumene kwi-musical journey yami, ngase back to i-Afro-Vibe leni, ngase ke ngoku siyithathe as a collective yokula journey again. Maybe will take us to another level, because at times by inspiration and about the personal experience within abanye abantu then motivates the looking on the high but hlale lina la belief bana nganje uningi ngabababa phinde ngiya bese instead of also by the personal.
I've performed when there was music with different people, and moreover, I would like to highlight in West when it comes to kwabantu abanyukelwa ngumoya we-gospel ndikhe ndabadlalela kwawamadimoni. That part I know uba ndibe ne-impact kakhulu kuyo. But when it comes to kwinantsika ke ngoku kwi-jazz, I've already also staged kwindawo ezininzi, but around mostly in Cape Town, being hired uba ndiyohambe ndiyodlala like kwindawo ezifana noma-Middelburg, ndidlala emitshatweni, abantu abandaziyo ke from here. So ndidlalile ke in most places, hoping to with the Afro-Vibe collaboration yethu, we will try to siveze, zonke ezi versatilities zethu, sibanye, sibabonise about what we have, because we really would like to compose some other songs ezizakwenza abanye abantu bakhumbule what was Afro-Vibe. So that is about it.
We are Afro-Vibe. Catch us live at Good Jazz Lounge with the Sisters of Soul from 3 p.m. till late. Ungaputhela.